In this video, I'll be showing you an overview of the Learn page. From your Clemelopy Workspace homepage, navigate to the Learn page by clicking the Learn option in the left side navigation bar. Once on the Learn page, you'll see the Orchard Ecosystem Framework. This is the framework with which Clemelopy is built upon. You'll notice a visual graphic here that you can click on to expand and make larger, in case you're on a smaller screen and can't see it. Underneath that, you'll see that each element of the Orchard Ecosystem Framework is listed separately. Each one of these has a multitude of slides that you can go through and learn more about each element. Underneath that, you'll see Cultivation. This is where all of the information that you gain through the linking strategy meets action. You can select Start Cultivating Your Ecosystem to be taken to the linking strategy. Under that, you'll see a waitlist for our GEO Blueprint. And that is an overview of the Learn page.